everybody. I would love to sing a traditional Christmas carol that comes all the way from Ireland today. And this song tells the story of the first Christmas when all the birds of Bethlehem gathered round the baby Jesus and sang the Carol of the Birds to the baby Jesus, Curoo, Curoo. There's lots of great actions to do, and please feel free to sing along. And to start off with the song, I would love to say Noia Hala Nia No Galer, which means Happy Christmas everyone in Irish. And here's how you say Happy Christmas to you all in Irish. It's Noia Hana Diabo Elor Galer. So in the meantime, everybody, let's all sing Curoo, Curoo, Carol of the Birds together. Here we go. For many a bird did wake and fly, Curoo, Curoo, Curoo. For many a bird did wake and fly to a manger bed with a wondering cry on Christmas Day in the morning. Curoo. Jesus' name on Christmas Day in the morning. Curoo, 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 Curoo. The owl was there with eyes so wide. Curoo, Curoo. The owl was there with eyes so wide, and he did sing a sweet merry side on Christmas Day in the morning. Curoo, 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 Curoo. The shepherds nags upon the